Go.
Hey, it's Michael again. I just wanted to show you my Lego set I got from Santa Claus today. And here's the windows that come up. And as you can see, satellite, computer, TV, whatever, phone, guy, the seat. And here's a mini light. There's another one. 3, 2, 1, 0. Count off. 2 locks.
Show them how the locks work.
Okay.
Pulls into the rocket, huh?
Yeah. Lock it. Yeah, can't get out.
And that fills it with gas, huh?
Fills it with gas.
Pretty cool.
And then go out. Astronaut lady.
Okay. That looks pretty good, buddy.
Goes up, down, camera, lights, gas tank.
Nice.
And
All right.
that's all.